Hello and welcome to Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle. Today I'm presenting this Defender 110 3-litre D300 X-dynamic HSE. This Defender is finished in the very eye-catching Gondwana Stone and comes sitting on the 20-inch satin grey alloy wheels. The black exterior styling features and privacy glass give the ultimate finish to this vehicle, and every journey is made simple with the blind spot assist and keyless entry, allowing you to move quickly into the vehicle. Now onto the door card, we've got some great features here, including the memory seat configuration and Meridian sound system, perfect for listening to your favourite music or podcasts. Into the front we have the duotone leather electric front seats, and there is a really warm welcome to this vehicle with the natural light coming from that sliding panoramic roof. Now sitting in the driver's seat, I'm going to show you some of the steering wheel controls. We've got voice control, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and the steering wheel is heated. This Defender comes with a very well presented dashboard, and to maximise your comfort at all times, we have the heated and cooled front seats and 3-zone climate controls. Moving on to the 11.4-inch Pivi Diamond infotainment system, we have 3D surround camera, navigation, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, DAB radio and much more. You can also access the heated and cooled front seats through the touchscreen. A very modern and luxury feature is the clear sight rear view mirror, allowing for efficient driving. And the leather interior continues into the back with a nice amount of space for your rear passengers, and the rear vent climate controls to make sure they are comfortable at all times. Ideal for friends and family, this Defender is equipped with the 3rd row seats. And the panel on the side is where you can control the electronic air suspension. This Defender comes with a vast amount of space in the boot with the seats down, perfect for your luggage and shopping. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you are interested in this Defender 110, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us on 01228 599 000.